In this recording, we'll show you the new option that we've added inside our pocket operation of multi-tool. If I were to go into my pocket operation, you'll note that at the very top we have our technology where it says pocket. We've added over here the option of multi-tool. Multi-tool will allow you to choose several tools within one operation, creating an operation for each tool automatically. Let's first choose our geometry. In this particular case, I like to choose a geometry on all of these pockets that we see over here, even though they're not on the same level. I'll accept that. And now let's start by choosing our tool. You'll note we'll choose our first tool, and you'll see that we have the option of select. Right now we only have one select option. Now, the moment I add the first tool, I'll get another option for select. I'll choose my first tool. And in this particular case, I do not want to do a finish on the wall or floor, so I will not check those. Now what I'd like to do is select my next tool. You can see now that I have another select. We'll choose our next tool. And in this particular case, I'd like to do a finish on the wall only. Now, I'd like to add one more tool. And with this tool, I'm going to do a finish on the floor only. Now let's go to our levels. Now, I'd like to just set my levels to the option of variable levels. So I'll just click over there and right-click on any one of these depths to set it at auto detect for all. You can see all the levels were automatically detected. Now we'll go to technology. Also note before I go into technology that we have our step down set at 10 millimeters for each one of them. Now I can say that, let's say my last operation, I don't want to have any step down, so I'm just going to put that at 0. Now let's go to our technology. You'll see that for each tool, our technology can be set differently. So for example, you'll see that in my first tool, we don't have a wall or floor finish, and I'm going to set my offset at 0.3 millimeters for both the wall and the floor. In my next tool, you'll see that I have finish checked off over here, and I'll set my wall offset at 0.3 millimeters and my floor offset also at 0.3 millimeters. And since I only want to do the wall, I'll check wall finish only. Now in my last tool, again, I'd set my wall offset at 0.3 and my floor offset also at 0.3. And in this particular case, you'll note that my finish is set for floor only. Now, one more thing I like to do in my first operation over here is set my open pocket for use profile strategy. That's the way I like working. We'll do save and calculate. And you'll see that we have 3 operations that were created for each tool. If we were to take a look at the tool path, you'll see the following. Here we have our first operation doing the rough for each one of those pockets. Second operation, just the walls. And the third operation, just working on the floors.